Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and this is tutorial number 202 for the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0, how to use the TRW magic patterns. Okay, so in the 3.0 we came out with this awesome feature as far as using magic patterns. So you're going to see with the Wizard 3.0 you are going to get a few patterns that are included. So there are 5 patterns that are included with some hearts and some circles and stars. But you also have additional add-on packs that you can purchase for the Wizard as well. So this is our Magic Patterns Volume 1, where you'll see the giraffe, the animal print 1, animal print 2, the distressed, and the quake. And that gives that cracking look. And then we have Pattern Pack Volume 2 with different chevrons and the wave designs. So I'm going to show you exactly how these work and how awesome they are and how you're going to use them here in the 3.0 to the best of their ability. Okay, so if I just typed out a font here and I'm just going to type out, we're going to mix it up. We'll do football this time. Now with this here, I'm going to open my font area of the Wizard. And I'm just going to use an impact font for this one. I'm also going to use one of my TRW fonts. I'm going to use my TRW, one that I really like is our Rockstar. So we have our Rockstar 1, which is this one right here. And then let's use one more font, maybe our TRW Athletic Team. So 3 completely different fonts right here, right? Well, first thing I want to do with each of these fonts, and let's say the school colors are orange and black, all right? First thing I'm going to do is under the place and fill, I'm just going to do a outline in heat transfer vinyl first, okay? So just to give it that 2-color look. So let's just go a 0.1 island fill to the outside of each of these. And then each of these islands on the outside, I want to go ahead and make those black. So now you can see we have a 2-color design here on each of them. All right, now here's where it gets pretty awesome. And I'm going to show you a couple different versions here. So if I hold shift, I can make the text a little bit larger. And then I'll come over here one more and hold shift and make it a little bit larger. All right, so with this first one right here, I'm going to go to my Edit tab, and you can see all of my magic patterns in here. So let's say, for example, on this football, we wanted some circles in it, kind of a polka dot look. I could left-click on I clicked on the orange right here, left-click on my circle magic pattern, and it's going to add those circles in it. But look, they're already ready to cut. It's built in, ready to go. Now the cool thing about that is you can use it with other features in the Wizard. So watch this. Highlight both of them. I want to do a knockout design. I'm going to go at 0.04 knockout, and now that's completely done for you. So you just created a polka dot font right there in a matter of a few seconds. How awesome is that? So let's go back a little bit more. I want the polka dot to this time go in this athletic font. Click it up, click on it, there you go. You want it to be knocked out, boom, there you go. All one click, okay? Let's bring it back again. Let's say you wanted some more polka dots on it. Just make the vector design bigger, and look, now you're gonna get more polka dots on it. If you wanted straight line polka dots, there they are. So depending on which pattern you pick, we want stars, there's our stars. We want to do a knockout design with those stars. Come over here to our KO. There's our knockout design. How freaking awesome is that? Now we have our additional add-on packs as well available on the website. So you'll see all of our different prints here. Let's say you wanted a giraffe look, okay? I could come over here and I could go this. I could go this. Click on that. So I just come over here to the magic patterns. I scroll through and I see my giraffe pattern right here because I purchased that add-on pack. Click on that giraffe pattern, and now I'm going to get that giraffe look on it as well. So all different types of things you can do with these magic patterns that are pretty awesome. Let's say the school colors are, I don't know, blue and black. You want an animal print on it? Let's come over to one of our animal prints and boom, there it is. Highlight my design. Come over here with my knockout. Now I did a very, very small knockout there, a 0.02 knockout. So let's go make this knockout a little bit bigger. So highlight here. And let's go to maybe a 0.06 knockout now. Zoom in and you got that. And then we can come over here if we wanted a little bit less print on it. Boom, there. Come over, 0.04 knockout. Click on my knockout, and there you go again. So check that out. If you wanted to make this one color, you could also move that out of the way, and then you just have one color animal print font right there. And then we do have some other pretty awesome ones as well that are in these packs. This is one of my favorite, the Quake. So like our TRW Rockstar font right here, a font that we built that's available on the website. Watch what happens when I click the Quake here. Look at that. How awesome does that look? It gives that kind of cracking look to it. But the best part about it is it's a vector file ready to cut. So you could do that by yourself as well and just have it look like that without the second color behind it. If you wanted a little bit more cracking in it for the Quake, use the bigger design. There's the Quake again. A little bit less, use your smaller design, and there's the Quake again. So the less quakes and cracks you have in it, the easier the weeding. And you'll notice that the way that we built this font, we built it for vinyl cutters, even though you could still use it for screen printing, heat press, and everything, or direct to garment and sublimation and all different types of applications, because it's ready for a vinyl cutter. However, it's ready for print for a print cut machine as well. And then another one I really like right here. Watch this one. I'm going to pull this down here. We have it black and we want it to be distressed. I'm going to click on the distressed and check that out. Again, ready to go with your vinyl cutter because it's going to weed right through the letters. But pretty awesome looking font right there to give a distressed look with heat transfer vinyl, or if you're even using your print cut machines or direct to garments, whatever it is. And then we do have another animal print here, which is this one here. And let's see, I'm going to go through one more here, and we got all of our chevrons. So let me go back a few steps. We got chevron 1, which is this one right here. Want to see something awesome? Highlight it. Knockout. How awesome looking is that? Look at that. You wanted a single color chevron that says football? The text can say whatever you want. The font can be any font you have in your library. So watch this. Just to show you, I'm going to go here, go to my fonts, and I'm going to pick a random font. You know what? It may not look good on a script font, but I'm going to do a brush script. I want title case. So I click the T right there for title case. Makes it very easy to change it. We made everything easy in the Wizard 3.0. Everything is very easy and a lot of one-click features, okay? So let's do our island fill. Oh, that added the stones. Looks good, but we didn't need to add the stones on it. So let's go not add the stones. We're going to do our default for HTV and a 1-2 island outline. Change that to black. You want to see what script looks like in a chevron font? Well, we can look right here. Boom, there you go. There's a chevron font with the script, okay? Let me go ahead and weld this together. Now we're going to come back and see what the next chevron font looks like. There's the next one. Let's see what the next chevron font looks like. There's the next one. If we wanted more lines, we just make the design bigger, click on the chevron font again, then it's going to be a smaller lined chevron. If we wanted to see what the waves look like, there's the waves. We wanted a knockout, highlight it, click on knockout, boom. I'm doing all of this with one click. You won't find this in any other software out there, okay? It's something that we've thought of because we do this stuff every day, just like all of you do. We can find these type of features that are going to make your life so much easier. Chevron here where the sizing on the width of the rows change. There you go. So completely customizable, but we're going to be adding more and more magic pattern packs to the website over time. So right now you're going to get 5 with the wizard. Magic Patterns Volume 1 is available on the website at therinestoneworld.com. Magic Patterns Volume 2 with the chevrons is also available right now. And let's just see, I want to see what this distressed looks like on this. Let's see what a distressed looks like on a script right here. Man, I'd say that looks pretty sweet. Move that out of the way. Check that out. Easy to read, but gives that cool distressed look, and we can change it again to any color that we want. Very, very easy in the Wizard 3.0. So if you're not sure on the software that I'm using is the TRW Stone Wizard 3.0 from the rhinestoneworld.com. Does many other features, and we have over 1,400 videos on our YouTube channel to teach you everything about the industry. And we're already up to 202 videos on the Wizard 3.0 to teach you how to design in the Wizard 3.0. So if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number is 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys have a great day.